subscribe, bro. They stole my dash. Oh. What's up, boys? Feels great to be back. We got a really good one today, as you read from the title. Stick around to the end because I'm going to announce a giveaway on this. So either stick around and watch the video or skip ahead if you've been infected by the woke Chinese app known as TikTok and it's completely deleted your attention span. A lot of you people are like that, but unboxing, if you want to go watch that, it's another video. What we're doing today is we want to give you guys a spectrum of options here. We got a full-size 45, we got an AK full-size rifle, a little Draco SBR, and then we have another full-size 5.7. This Cyelee optic, which this is the culprit right here. This is the star of the show. Comes with the cover. That looks nice, doesn't it? Now, big shout out to Cyelee for sending me this optic to review for the channel. We are giving it away. They gave me a code. I'll throw that up on screen if you guys are interested. It's November at the current time of recording this. Black Friday's right around the corner. Holidays right around the corner. Fellas, if you want to treat yourself to something nice. Ladies, if you want to treat your man to something nice. I think this is a pretty good option as we're about to see here today. We got a 5.7, we got a 45, and we have 2 rifle rounds. Now, you might be running an AR, but Picatinny rail, same shit. It comes with a Picatinny rail mount. So we just kind of want to get a feel for all of it. As we go along and shoot, we're just gonna give you some different looks. Big respect to Cyelee though, for real. They told me be as unbiased as possible, be as truthful as possible, and let me know what you guys think. I've seen a lot of guys on YouTube, a lot of other channels, they're destroying these optics. So there's no question that this optic is super tough. Me, on the other hand, I'm not in the business of destroying things. So I don't want to break it. A lot of these YouTubers are spoiled, man. They're not like connected, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give this one away to one of you guys. It'll be my gift to you guys. Real quick, Cheesy. Give me a pan here. Damn! Oh man. You see this? Pigeon shit. They come onto my property. They lay fecal matter on the Big Bertha. It's getting bad, boys. About to wage a war. Threw this on the AK first. Mind you, boys, the Cyelee Wolf 2 is really a budget-friendly, not budget-friendly, it's more of like a competitive price point optic, and it's geared for people with astigmatism. That makes me happy because, as you can tell, I've been wearing glasses since, I remember one day I think I woke up, I was like 16 years old, and I just couldn't see nothing. It was like the opposite of what happened to Spider-Man, the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man. He woke up and he like didn't need him. He was all buff. I woke up one day and I was blind and I was all fat. So it was bad, dude. But we're gonna run some rounds. 7.62 by 39. Show them the target. I haven't sighted this in. So let's see how this goes. I haven't sighted this in. I was a bit skeptical on throwing a red dot on an AK. I was like, or a full-size rifle. Mind you, I know a lot of you guys are AR boys and you're like, AK. But I was kind of skeptical because I'm like, I don't know if I want something that small on a full-size rifle, right? That was nice. This looks good. The glass is very, very clear. It's crispy. Woo, Nelly! Got a really nice single point sling here. Now I'm putting this optic on this Draco, which is representative of an SBR. In case any of you guys want to throw it on an AR pistol or something like that. If you're thinking, is this optic any good for an AR pistol? Before you go comment and talk all kinds of smack about how it's redundant to put an optic on a Draco, blah, 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 blah. I know, all right? This is just for the look. We're having fun. Get your finger out your butt, okay? Also, boys. I challenge you guys to download the Bible app, okay? They send you notifications on daily readings. I'm on a 40-some day streak right now. I'll put it in the video. Grow closer with your faith in God. We're in a tricky time in the world right now. I'm getting a lot of people messaging me. What do you think about this going on this side of the world, this side of the world? World War III is right around the corner. Be that as it may, if that's true, if that's really the case, get right with your maker before it's too late. Bible app, download it. It's like a free audio book, dude. How could, like, come on. SBR, Draco, Wolf Cyelee 2. Let's see if I can hit something. Honestly,
I can feel it from here.
I hate shooting this damn gun. Am I hitting? Yeah, I'm hitting. All right. So I can hit with this, but the question is, will the optic affect the bump fire on this pistol? So, after scientifically proving, the Wolf Cyelee 2 will not affect your bump fire rate. As a matter of fact, it will increase your ability to bump fire your SBR. So that's all the reason why you should spend your hard-earned cash on a nice Wolf Cyelee 2. Cyelee Wolf 2. That's what that bad boy looks like. This is the FN545. This is the Trijicon SRO. Now, obviously, guys, this is top of the line competition. This is more budget friendly, made for people with astigmatism type optic. So it's not fair to compare these. These are really apples and oranges, different ends of the spectrum. But in case you guys are wondering, you know, how is it gonna fit on? How is it gonna fit on? This has the same pattern as the SRO. I literally just took this optic off and put it right on the plate. Same foot pattern. I mean, that looks pretty clean, don't you think?
Looks good.
Something about a full-size 45. If you guys don't own a full-size 45, what are you doing with life, man? When are you going to decide to become a grown man? That being said, let's see how this optic handles. Boy, that was nice. It's crazy because this optic, it's really big. You can see the crosshatch. It's a circle with a dot. So if you're anything like me, I'm blind, man. I'm blind as a bat. I'm only 26 and I still have a hard time. But when I'm aiming it down, it takes up the whole sight. So I don't have to question where to place it. You know what I'm saying? And you know what's crazy? I haven't even sighted this in from the AK. It went from out of the box to AK to Draco to FN545. Got another magazine here. Cheesy loaded this one, so let's see. Let's see if he didn't overload it. I counted 14?
14.
I counted 14. Okay. So you did a good job. I took one out because I thought he overloaded it. Oh boy, man. You guys, this makes me really happy. Not only the optic, obviously, but just shooting a 45, man. Ugh. When you find out what you love in life, what makes you happy and brings you true joy, there's nothing else that can get in the way of that. This is what that is for me. Shooting a 45 ACP. I got my AK, and I got my nice 1985 GMC Suburban. There's a lot of things I want to do to this Suburban. Don't got the cheddar cheese just quite yet, which brings me to my next point. Subscribe, like, share. We finally hit the mark of making money on YouTube. I haven't announced that yet, right? Stay tuned for a really big video that Cheesy and I are going to be dropping in celebration of getting monetized. If you guys have been with me since day one, you already know they've deleted a handful of videos, strike this, strike that. Well, we've hit the mark where we're actually making money on YouTube. It's not much as of right now, but mark my word, boys. I plan on making this channel alongside with the big dogs of YouTube. That's where my vision is for this channel. I want to be able to give back to the community, give back to people who are in need. So right now, obviously, we're at the baby steps, but whenever you find something that you know you love in life and you love to do, chase it, bro. Chase it. Don't sit there and wait. I always tell Cheesy, use your life now, bro. Don't save it till next game, because there might not be a next game, bro. You only have one life. Figure out what you want to do, and once you figure that out, just chase it, bro. Chase it every single day, consistently chipping away at it. And then one day you're gonna look around and be like, holy cow, look what I did. Look what I've accomplished. Put your faith in God and chase your dreams. Don't ever try to wait till next game, bro, because next game might not ever come.
Shooting 45, dude.
All right, let's see Cheesy's first impressions on the Wolf Cyelee 2. This guy's kind of spoiled, man, with the Trichicon.
Spoiled? I don't need an optic to shoot.
All right, let's see what you got. I think you missed like 3.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
That felt good. It's clear. How it feels being like fully around the screen of the optic.
Uh-huh.
Like I said, you don't have to worry about like exactly where you're placing it because it's so big. Okay.
Okay.
It's so big, you're just kind of putting it on center.
So are you saying it's kind of like cheating in a way?
It feels good. It felt really good.
You like it because you don't got to think that much. You just put, as long as the target's in the middle of this, you're going to hit.
Yeah. I don't want to think. I want to shoot.
Right? You're not built to think.
I'm not built to think. I'm built to shoot.
I wouldn't want to go that far.
You know, I'm infantry, you know? 3rd Army Ranger, 1st Lieutenant.
On what, Call of Duty? I have to get one more magazine of this 45. Ready? Set. Huh. A little off on that first one. Caught fire though. Let's move to the 5.7. Bad news, boys. I forgot the plate, but this is how much of a dog Cyelee Wolf 2 is. Can you see the spacing in between? I forgot the plate. I messed up. You know, my bad. But, you know, this happens. It happens in real life. You're out in the field. Boom, you don't have a plate. but will your optic mount up to your pistol? So that's what we're here to see right now with Cyelee. Let's check it out. I got 20 shots, 5.7, safety off. Let's see. Hit.
Yep.
Failure to eject. I might have overloaded that magazine. Okay, it took me a second to catch it. To be fair, it's not on the optic. I don't know why I was jamming up like that.
Or holding it right, bro.
Maybe I wasn't holding it, yeah. Let me load up another magazine. We got another 10 rounds. We're shooting blue tip. FN 5.7. Mind you, boys, this optic hasn't been sighted in, and it's hitting. You know what I think it is? I think Cyelee Wolf 2 has a proprietary technology that utilizes nanotechnology inside of its optic. And what that does is it's smart and it knows whenever you switch between firearms. So that way it calculates the sighting in. You don't have to sight in because they use a geological longitude, latitude, horizontal alternator from Apex to sight in your sight. So that's really cool of them. I don't know how they managed to get that inside of a $200 optic, but I'm not gonna ask any questions, bro. I've made you guys wait long enough. If you guys want to get entered to win this optic, it's a $200 optic, brand new. I've shot it. You guys see how many times I've shot this gun, this optic. I am currently at about 1,400 subscribers, so I need another 600 of you schmoes to subscribe to the channel. All right, I want to be at 2,000 subscribers, preferably before December. January is cool too, but if we could get it done before December, I'll be able to ship this off and you'll have a nice new optic for Christmas time. If not, you can start off January, new year, new you, new optic, right? Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Share the video so we can grow this channel, man. Everything's by word of mouth. Once you guys do that, send a screenshot to my Instagram. And I've given away t-shirts, I've given away $100, I've given away magazines on this channel. I give it away. I don't play around. You get entered, you can have this optic possibly for free. And if you're like, I don't want to get entered to the giveaway, I'm a liberal, I'll just spend my money, there's the code that they gave me. Get you a new optic in time for the holidays. But thank you guys for watching, and as always, fuck you, man.